Hello. Now we'll discuss kinematic equations of motion under uniform acceleration. That is, uniform acceleration means A is equal to constant in direction and magnitude. Now the equations of motions are V is equal to U plus AT, S is equal to UT plus half AT square, V square minus U square is equal to 2AS, Sn is equal to U plus A by 2 2n minus 1, and displacement is final velocity plus initial velocity by 2 into time. Now we'll verify these equations of motion by graphical method and by using calculus. Okay. Now if the particle is attains some velocity, initial velocity of the particle is u, and at time t it has attained a position B here, O, let it is O, let it is A, B, C, and at time t it has attained the velocity V, the final velocity is V. Okay, now we have to prove that B is equal to U plus AT. This is theta. Okay, making an angle theta with the time axis. Okay, this is x axis, this is y axis. Okay, now we know that the equations of straight line in its intercept form, that is y is equal to mx plus c. We know this in slope and intercept form. This is y-intercept, y is equal to mx plus c. Now y is equal to, y means this is final velocity v, m is equal to tan theta, that is acceleration. Okay, x is equal to time plus c, c means initial velocity u. Okay, now this is v minus u is equal to at, that is v is equal to u plus at. First equations of motion is proved. Now we have to prove S is equal to ut plus half at square. Now we know that the area under VT graph, represents always represents displacement, not distance. Okay, displacement. Okay, now S is equal to displacement here, not distance. S is equal to displacement in t second. Okay, that is S is equal to ut plus half at square. Okay, now S is equal to area under VT graph. If the particle has u at initial position, u velocity, that is initial velocity, and at time t it has attained the velocity of v, then the area under this means this plus this. Okay, now S is equal to area of OADC plus area of triangle CDB. Okay, is that clear? Okay, area of OADC is equal to OA into OC plus area of CDB is equal to half base CD into height BD. Now S is equal to OA is equal to T into OC is equal to U plus half CD into BD, means let tan theta is equal to P by B. This is P, this is B. Okay, base, theta's opposite side is P, theta's base is B, that's P by B. Okay, P by B, that is CD is equal to CD square by BD by CD. We can write like this: P is equal to BD by BC is equal to CD. Okay, CD cancel, this will be CD into BD. Okay, this is equal to UT plus half CD T square. CD means OA T square, BD by CD is equal to A. Now this is UT plus half AT square. Second equation is proved. Okay, now the third equation is V square minus U square is equal to 2S. Okay, we know S is equal to area of trapezium OA BC. Okay, that is, we know that area of trapezium is equal to half summation of parallel axis OC plus AB into height height means OA. Okay, AS is equal to half OC U plus AB means V into OA into acceleration AS. Okay, half V plus U. Okay, OA is equal to T. Okay, acceleration is A. This is into A is equal to half okay, this will be half B plus U into AT. Okay, we know that B minus U is equal to AT. Half B plus U, AT is B minus U equal to half B square minus U square, that is 2AS is equal to V square minus U square. The third equation is also proved. V square minus U square is equal to 2S. Now we will prove SN3 is equal to U plus A by 2n minus 1. Okay, now consider here, this is 1 second. Okay, E F. Okay, now EA is equal to 1 second. Okay, and OA is equal to T second, that is OE is equal to OE is equal to T minus 1 second. This is understood? Okay. Now we have to prove S is equal to Snth displacement in n second. Okay, displacement in n second is equal to U plus A by 2n minus 1. Okay, now Snth is the displacement, that is area under EABF, trapezium EABF. Is that clear? Now it is area of trapezium EABF is equal to half summation of parallel axis that is AB plus EF into height means EA, that is equal to 1. Okay, it is 1 second. It's half. Now AB is equal to V plus EF. EF is the velocity attended in t minus 1 second. Okay. Now velocity attended t minus 1 second is equal to U plus A t minus 1. Okay. Now EF is equal to U plus A t minus 1. Now it is half. V is equal to U plus AT plus U plus AT minus A. Okay, this is equal to half 2U plus 2AT minus A, that is U plus A by 2T minus 1. Is that clear? This proved. Now we will prove these 3 laws of motion by using calculus. By using calculus, graphical method is done. Now using calculus method, we have to prove V is equal to U plus AT. Okay, we know A is equal to dV by dt. A is equal to dV by dt. Now A dt is equal to dV. Integrating both sides. Now in this case, A is constant. As the uniform acceleration, we are discussing about the uniform acceleration, that is in uniform acceleration A acceleration is constant both in magnitude and direction. Okay, and this is out, dt is equal to dv utv. Applying definite integral, that is v u to v is equal to a, integration of dt is equal to t, applying dt 0 to t is equal to u minus v minus u is equal to at, is proved. Okay, now we'll discuss about V is equal to ds by dt. We know this. Now ds is equal to v dt. Integrating both sides. Now s is equal to v is equal to u plus at dt, s is equal to u dt plus at dt integration. Okay, now u is constant here. Why constant is here? Because we know the initial velocity of the particle. A t dt plus some constant, integration constant, s is equal to u t plus a t square by 2 plus a. Okay, at initial position s is equal to 0, u is equal to 0. Okay, t is equal to 0, then a is equal to also 0, so s is equal to ut plus half at square. This is proved. Okay, now we know acceleration is equal to dv by dt, that is equal to dv by ds into ds by dt. Applying Chance rule, that is v dv by ds equal to a. That implies a ds is equal to v dv. Integrating both sides and applying definite integral u to v 0 to s. A is constant, ds is equal to v square by 2. Applying definite integral as 0 to s, that is as is equal to v square minus u square by 2, that is v square minus u square is equal to 2s. Proved. Okay, in the next class we will see the graphs of equations of motion, vt graph, at graph, vs graph, etc. Thank you.